I think this is an 11.5.
You got a tape measure in the man van?
Put it up next to mine.
Or stand it up next to this one.
Oh yeah, how long is
Because this is an 11. You collapse both stocks.
$10.5?
$10.5. I thought you knew all about inches, man. Come on.
All right, so now still running the Lone Star Drifter, which is 5.56 223 caliber can. This is a newer company that we've got at the shop that we're testing out. That way we can have content for our customers and be able to talk about how they sound, how they work, and give honest opinions versus other cans that we've shot and tested. We're running the Daniel Defense DDM4 V7 16-inch 5.56, and now we're going to shoot the Fiocchi Range Dynamics 5.56 55 grain FMJ standard round. That way we can see what a regular FMJ range round shoots like, sounds like.
I didn't hear that part. I just heard smoke.
That's not too bad.
Not bad. Pretty quiet.
Pretty quiet. Minimal recoil, pretty quiet. Not gassy. That's a good can. I would run that.
His gnats.
I'm going to be excited to shoot that some more. No, it's pretty warm.
Grab it with your hands, your bare hands, like a man.
I did.
It's a little toasty.
I need to see.
Give me the pot holder.
Yeah, give me that silencer shot pot holder.
Oh, it's not bad.
Okay, kitchen hands.
Exactly. That's exactly what that was.
That's how my papu is, man. My papu, like, we'll be baking dishes at the house. They will come out of the oven, 425 degree oven, and he will grab it with his bare hands and then go set it on the counter. I'm like, it doesn't flinch, like no emotion at all. I'm like, how? How in the world? So this is a SIG M400 11-inch SBR chambered in 5.56. We're going to be shooting the Lone Star Drifter. We're pairing it with Federal Premium 69 grain Sierra Match King Boat Tail Hollow Point. Really good ammo. I'm excited to test it, see how it sounds, especially through this 11-inch 5.56. You know, the word on the street, customers are always saying, 5.56 is so loud, you can't suppress it. Well, let's see what it sounds like.
.208 grain FMJ. Dude, I love this mag release. I want it.
Minimal recoil. The sound, I mean, it sounds exceptional out of this can. I mean, 11-inch. Yeah, I'm surprised.
Kind of tightened up.
It not near as loud as you would think. Like I said, the recoil is minimal. That can is working really well. Lone Star did a really good job with the Drifter.
All right, so today we're going out. We're shooting this Sig Sauer M400. We got some 223 65 grain Sierra match points.
I didn't say what it was. It wasn't.
You had no issues?
All of them?
Exactly.
Shot pretty quiet. Little more aggressive on the recoil than I was expecting, but not bad at all.
That's what I'm saying.
It's an enjoyable shoot.
It is nice, isn't it?
It was a fun little shoot, yeah.
Good time. Or pull your mic off.
So we have the Noveske N4 300 Blackout AR pistol we're testing again, but this time we have the new Sonicor Wrecker 30 cal can. This one piques everybody's interest because of the price point. It is $299 customer price, which is just insane for a 30 cal can. Like, my first thought when you tell me a 30 cal can is $299, I'm like, oh, that's trash. But let's see how it sounds. Let's see how it performs. Hopefully I'm wrong. the 2 ammo types that we're going to be shooting, I have 5 loaded that are Federal 150 grain, 300 blackout supersonics, and then I have 5 HSM 220 grain subsonic Sierra Match Kings. It's 5 and 5. So let's see how it sounds, if there's any different.
That's actually incredible for a $300 suppressor.
Yeah. All right. Well, I was wrong. Somebody finally did it. They made a cheap can, cheap as in price, that is not cheap quality.
I like how modular.
Good job, Sonicor. And there's cuts right here for each baffle, so you can shorten the stack. You can tune this can. You can run it however you want. Good job, Sonicor.
Got it.
You could feel the
The
heat
only
radiate.
complaint I have, the only complaint I have is the gas.
That's what I'm saying, and that's the only issues, because 5.56 is way over gassed. Especially
Still
with a
got it.
short barrel, that's why you get in this. Yeah.
Shooter ready?
It's those two.
Yeah.
That's all I need.
Ah.
Yeah, fuck that. Because if you look, it's kicking 45 front.
All right, so
2026.
now that I know how to properly shoot this gun, it does have an Atrius safety selector in there. Aero Precision M4E1 build from Devon with the YHM Fat Cat silencer, 5.56. Let's let it rip.
Yeah, now pull the fun switch. Yeah.
Jesus.
Yep.
Yeah, if you're not ready for that, you can walk backwards.
A whole lot different.
That's a lot different. So unlike a binary trigger where you got to work it a little bit, you got to pull and release and find that sweet spot, the Atrius, as you can tell, does the work for you.
It finds that sweet spot for you.
It does. Legally.
This is the drifter. So
There's your 30. While you're doing that, here, hold this in the target. I'm gonna grab my pistol.
this is already set.
That's,
So I just lock it in, drop the bolt, and go.
yep, that's all the way. I want to do it.
So, who told the neighbors?
Who? What about him?
Who told them to tell them this? Did they say anything? I don't know, but did Guy and Papu know? Like,
I called Guy and Papu last night, and I told Memo last night.
Hold on, before you do that, can I
Now, granted, it's still
You-
5.56. You
this
can't
at
fully
that?
suppress, but
Just don't shoot the post.
you shoot the post?
Nope.
It looks like there's some marks on it.
There might be one.
can you shoot that close to that?
We're not shooting steel
We're
with
shooting
that.
in the berm.
We're shooting the berm. Yes.
Brought all the equipment with you.
Yep. But no, Devin's got a Atrius Super Safety
I
Selector.
want to brace myself for this one. Lean into it.
We didn't bring a lot of 9mm.
Does your barrel get pretty warm?
There's a little bit. Well, hey.
All right. Yeah, this is golden.
I put the gold mag in it, baby.
It's a nice build.
Yeah.
Oh, here, you hold that.
The only complaint I have is the gas.
It's getting hot.
Oh yeah.
One more mag. Just run that last mag and then stop.
You got 30 in it,
hot.
baby.
Huh?
Said you got 30 in it. Dump it.
I just want to see if my mag's gonna feed because I haven't emptied this mag and I think it's gonna pipe. See, because they're already.
That's great. That's great. You want to run one?